Hey, I'm Captain Camp, and this video is about appreciating freedom. Last month I met one of the other captains for 2 nights of camping. Because of the corona, public transport was not really an option. And not having a car, the road bike it is. It was nice to have a little adventure, but man, it was a long distance to the camping spot. Seven hours later, I arrived, after 169 kilometers, which for me is a pretty significant distance. And there he was, the captain.
Yeah. Captain. Yeah.
Soon we realized there's a large amount of wild boars here. Both of us already spotted one before meeting, and here in the distance was number 3. It was huge and probably around 100 kilograms. As the night falls, we set up our shelters to get some sleep. The next day we did some exploring, and these were actually special days. It was the 4th of May, which for Dutch people is National Memorial Day. And the 5th of May is Liberation Day from the Second World War. Normally there's parties and festivals to celebrate freedom, but not this year because of the corona. So yeah, something to think about. This camping trip made me appreciate freedom even more. We found this small desert. Pretty cool. It was time to set up camp again. And we cooked dinner on this wood stove. We were at this small hunting shelter. Here we had the 2 minutes of silence for Memorial Day. Then we decided to stay hidden for a while inside the shelter, so we might be able to spot more animals.
Animal spotting.
And there they are. After waiting almost an hour, 2 wild boars appeared, searching for nuts from the trees. We were able to watch them for 15 minutes. Very amazing. Then suddenly they both froze and stood still for a few seconds. They had smelled us and got away. Such a special weekend. Very grateful for this. It reminded me to appreciate the freedom when you have it. Freedom, it's a relative concept. Today is the 5th of May, Liberation Day. Freedom. National flags symbolizing the freedom. Freedom! Freedom! Respect!
Freedom.
My tires were done. But I got home before the tires blew up. If you're interested in my next adventures, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching!